Hey guys, so it's day 3 of our Vlogmas series, and in this video we are going to be putting together the one book that I use that helps me to organize my entire life. I use one planner in order to help me to plan all of the 10 areas that I've talked about in the previous 2 videos within this series. And so in this video, we are going to be putting together my Tom 90 planner for 2025. The first thing that you will notice is that I got a new cover. So I decided to get a new cover. This one is like a chocolate brown color. I just wanted something different, and this felt like a nice and needed change. So I will have this one linked below if you are interested in this cover. But the first thing we're gonna do is pop these gold discs and my laminated cover on this leather cover. So the front cover is on. Now we're gonna add the back cover. All right. So the first sheet we're going to add in here is my table of contents. My table of contents is basically an overview of the 6 sections that I keep within my planner. And these are all of the different planners that I have within here. This is just a great reminder for me to know why I selected each one of these sections. So I will write the section here, and then I kind of write a little description to myself, reminding myself why I have decided to plan my life this particular way. Because I know that this setup works for me, but sometimes I will kind of lose focus, or I will forget why I decided to set my planner up this way. So I love having a table of contents, and I just created that one in Canva. The next thing we're gonna do is add my dividers. So the dividers, and I have printed them all out on the side here. I am using 6 side tab dividers, and then I have 4 top tab dividers. And I have 2 sets of those just so I can have a top tab for all 6 of my planners. So the very first section that we're putting in here is the weekly section for each one of these. So I'm popping in the divider. It's going to be my weekly planner. And then I'm going to pull in 1 month of my weekly hourly planner. And so we have that in here, and then we're going to add my next divider. My next section is my to-do planner, so we are popping off. So we are going to add the labels, and we're going to pop it in. And so this one will be the vertical planner. And this planner, the Tom 90 planner, does come with 3 months, but I usually only add 1 month, and then I will store the other months just so the planner isn't too thick or too bulky. Now this is a dashboard planner that I use in order to stay on top of all of the videos that I want to post, anything that I want to do on Shorts or on Instagram, any lives that I want to do, and anything else that I would like to do with Organize You. So we're gonna pop in my dashboard planner. The next planner I have in here is my meetings planner. And this is a monthly planner that I use to keep up with all of my notes. So any notes that I have, any meeting where I wanna jot down different things that are happening or different things that I need to do after the meeting, I will put it within this planner. And the monthly planner is just the monthly calendar, and oh nope, this is the wrong one. This is the horizontal planner, which is my faith planner. You know what? I could keep it there. I'll just put the divider before it. This must be my monthly planner. Yes. So with this one, we just have the monthly calendar, and then you just have line pages. After this, this is my faith planner, which is a horizontal planner in the front, and then my Bible study and my soap sheets. And if you're interested in seeing the 12-month version of all of the planners that I am talking about, I will link that video above. I think the only planner that is not within this setup is my daily planner, and that one is within my home notebook setup. But we have the faith planner in here, and then the last one is the budget planner. And the budget planner is where we keep all of the details about money. And so now we have 1 month of all 6 of the planners. These discs are really new. So I'm gonna have to put some dryer sheets on them. If your disc ever gets stuck, one hack that I learned a while ago was to use a dryer sheet and just rub it on them, and it'll make them turn much, much easier. I also will just kind of play with them and like spin them, and usually that loosens them up as well. They will loosen up over time though. But I just want to show you how thick it looks. As you can see, it's pretty thin right now. It looks really good. I am loving this brown color. Oh, hopefully it focuses, yes. I'm loving this brown color. I think it's perfect, and I really have been leaning more towards browns than blacks lately. So I feel like it really is starting to match my new aesthetic. Like, I just love how this looks. So I am going to add some additional inserts as we move forward within this series, but just to show you exactly how it looks as we are starting off, this is going to be my planner for 2025. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this one. So we do have the Tom 90 to where you can pick 4 planners. We also have the Tom 90 where you could pick 6 planners. So if you want my exact setup, I will link it below, but then you will also see if you want the 4 planner setup, I will link that one below as well. And also if you want to pick up the brown cover, I will link that one below as well. So guys, I hope that this video has helped you, and I will see you in my next one. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.